Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Freeform and creating a new board titled for your session. This anchors the work. Drag a central node onto the canvas and type a concise topic, 3 to 6 words, so associations stay focused. Once done, add 2-3 supporting nodes around the center as immediate branches. These act like chapter headings for your map. Make sure to toggle grid or snap if you want neat alignment, otherwise leave placement free for organic ideation. Now expand each main node by adding branches that use verbs or short questions. This drives action and clarity. Once branches exist, group related items using frames, color coding, or labels so hierarchy remains visible at a glance. Then connect points with arrows to show relationships, and attach images or short notes where context helps. Images often trigger memory. Make sure to use emoji or simple tags for quick scanning, and reorganize groups as ideas evolve. Finish by pruning duplicates and merging nodes that convey the same idea so your map stays readable and useful. Once refined, standardize wording, use parallel phrasing, and adjust layout for presentation by aligning groups, setting zoom, and choosing a clean export format like PNG or PDF. If you need to share, export, or copy the board. Troubleshooting tip: if alignment or links break, revert to an earlier version or duplicate the board before making major structural edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.